Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your shifter, and this is on a Honda Civic. There's just 2 screws on it. Just get your nut driver, and we got a walking nut driver right there. There's 2 screws. There's one right here on the, you can saw it, the left side of the passenger or driver side, and then there is one right there on the side of the shifter, as you can see there, on the right hand side. You're just going to remove both those screws, and then the shifter will just slide right up for you to, if you're removing this console, or if you're having to replace the shifter, because the spring that's inside this shifter right here, those springs, they break, and then this button will pop out, so then you got to reach your thumb up in there and press it down. Well, if you got to remove it, like I said, for replacing this console, or getting into the wiring in here behind a cigarette lighter outlet instead of taking apart the whole dash, or if you're just simply, replacing it because it went bad. So that's how you replace your shifter knob assembly, and this is on a Honda Civic. It might be similar on your Honda Accord or like the Honda Fit and some of your other Honda models, but this is exactly how to do it on your Honda Civic. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, go and hit that subscribe button. Please do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.